Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve 2018 IMO paper set A for class 7. So let's get started. Let's start with the logical reasoning. Question number 1. There is a certain relationship between figures I and 2i. Establish a similar relationship between figures 3i and iv by selecting a suitable figure from the options that would replace the question mark in the figure IV. Look at the figures I and 2i. Small figures are moving anti-clockwise direction in figure 2i, and the shaded figures in figure I become unshaded in figure 2i, and the unshaded figures became shaded in figure 2i. In the same way, figure IV will be option A. Now question number 2. How many squares are there in the given figure? If we name the figure as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, the squares are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, E, O, F, F, O, G, B, G, O, H, C, D, E, O, H, F, I, O, J, G, J, O, K, H, L, O, K, and E, L, O, I. So there are 10 squares in the figure. So the answer will be option A. Now question number 3. Find the missing number if the same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. Look at the figures carefully. In the first figure, the rule followed is 24 plus 48 is 72. 52 plus 63 is 115. And if we subtract this, 115 minus 72, we'll get 43, which is at the center. Similarly, in the second figure, 26 plus 29 is 55. 39 plus 42 is 81. So 81 minus 55 is 26. In the same way, if we calculate for figure 3, the question mark will be 64, which is option D. Now question number 4. In a certain code language, employees is written as DLOKOXDDR. How will furniture be written in the same language? If you look at the coded letters, all the letters are the previous letters of the word employees except O. O is same in both the words. So in the same way, furniture be written like option C, ETQMISTQD. Now question number 5. Choose a box from the options that is similar to the box formed from the given sheet of paper. Look at the sheet of paper. The answer will be option A. Question number 6. Ali walks 10 km towards north. He turns to his right, and after walking 2 km, he turns to his left. Finally, after walking 6 km, he turns to his left again. In which direction is he moving now? I have drawn the picture here. Look at the picture. He walks 10 km towards north. Then he turns to his right, and after walking 2 km, he turns to his left. Finally, after walking 6 km, he turns to his left again. So now he is moving in west direction. So the answer will be option D. Question 7. Which of the following options best illustrates the given Venn diagram? Look at the Venn diagram carefully. The answer will be option C. Bricks, houses, bridges. houses are made up of bricks and bridges are also made up of bricks. So the answer will be option C. Question 8. A square transparent sheet with a pattern and a dotted line on it is given. Select a figure from the options which shows the given sheet when folded along the dotted line. Look at the figures carefully. The answer will be option B. Question number 9. If dollar denotes plus, denotes multiplication, hash denotes minus, and star denotes division, then find the value of 12 star 6 4 hash 3 $6. After putting plus in place of dollar, multiplication in place of minus in place of hash, and division in place of minus, the equation will be 12 divided by 6 multiplied by 4 minus 3 plus 6. So it will be 14 minus 3, which is 11. So the answer will be option B. Now question number 10. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. Look at the figures carefully. The correct mirror image will be option B. Now question number 11. Group the given figures into 3 classes on the basis of their identical properties, using each figure only once. Look at the figures. Figures 1, 3 and 5 are identical. 2, 4, 7 are identical, and 6, 8, 9 are identical. So the answer will be option C. Question 12. Select a figure from the options which will complete the given figure matrix. Look at the figure matrix. The answer will be option B. Now question number 13. Select a figure from the options which satisfies the same conditions of placement of dots as in the given figure. Look at the figure carefully. Try to understand the placement of dots. The lower dot is in between the circle and the square. The upper dot is placed between the circle, square and the triangle. And the upper right dot is placed in between the triangle and the square, but not in the circle. Now we have to find the figures from the option in which the dots are placed in the same way as the figures shown here. The answer will be option D. Now question 14. If it is possible to make only one meaningful word with the 3rd, 6th and 8th letters of the word ordinate, then the 3rd letter of the word formed in the answer. If no meaningful word is formed, then give X as the answer. If more than one such words can be formed, then give Z as the answer. The 3rd, 6th and 8th letters of the word are D, A and E. We cannot find any meaningful word from the letters D, A, E. So the answer will be option C, that is X. Question number 15. Rima is sister of Bipin. Sudha is mother of Bipin. Jagdish is father-in-law of Sudha. How is Rima related to Jagdish? The answer will be option C, granddaughter. Now come to the mathematical reasoning portion. Question number 16. if 3/7 of 64% of x by 21 is 1280, then the value of x is dash. 3/7 of 64% of x by 21 is 1280. That means 3 by 7 multiplied by 64 by 100. 64% means 64 by 100 multiplied by x by 21 is equals to 1280. So we'll get 64 by 4900, x equals to 1280. So value of x will be 1280 multiplied by 4900 divided by 64. We'll get 98,000, which is option A. Now question number 17. Simplify 2 to the power p minus 8 multiplied by 8 to the power q minus 4 whole divided by 2 to the power p minus 11 multiplied by 8 to the power q minus 5. 2 to the power p minus 8 multiplied by 8 to the power q minus 4. We can write it as 2 to the power 3. 8 is 2 to the power 3, that is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So we can write it as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by q minus 4. Similarly, in the denominator, 2 to the power p minus 11 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 into q minus 5. If we solve this, we will get 2 to the power p minus 8 multiplied by 2 to the power 3q minus 12 whole divided by 2 to the power p minus 11 multiplied by 2 to the power 3q minus 15. As we know, when multiplying like bases, we keep the base same and we add the exponents. So it will be 2 to the power p minus 8 plus 3q minus 12. Similarly, the denominator will be 2 to the power p minus 11 plus 3q minus 15. Now the numerator and the denominator are having same base. So while dividing, we have to keep the base same and subtract the exponent. Now it will be 2 to the power p minus 8 plus 3q minus